Avocado farming secrets for 60% yield increase and 35% cost cutting. Secret number 2. That is optimal planting density and tree establishment. Understanding avocado spacing economics. Avocado orchard profitability depends critically on balancing tree population or density against individual tree production, canopy management complexity, and orchard longevity. With dramatic economic differences between traditional low density of 200 to 250 trees per hectare, modern high density of between 400 to 700 trees per hectare, and ultra high density of between 1,000 to 2,500 trees per hectare. These are systems that define different management models, cost structures, and financial returns. Traditional wide spacing of 7 by 7 meters or 8 by 8 meters equals to 156 to between 156 and 204 trees per hectare. Produces large trees requiring minimal pruning. Allows full tree development, requires modest establishment costs of between $1,200 to $2,000 per hectare for 200 trees, at between $8 to $12 each, plus planting, but takes 6 to 8 years to reach significant production, achieving peak yields of between 12 to 18 tons per hectare after 10 to 15 years, and provide good long-term stability with minimal annual management. Modern medium density of 5 by 4 meters or 6 by 5 meters equals to between 400 and 500 trees per hectare. Represents the current commercial standard balancing earlier production of between 4 to 6 years to significant yields. Moderate establishment costs of between $3,200 to $6,000 per hectare for between 400 to 500 trees. Earlier break-even and return on investment. Peak yields of between 15 to 22 tons per hectare, and reasonable canopy management, allowing long-term production of between 30 to 50 years with proper pruning. High density, that is 5 meters by 2 meters or similar, equals to between 1,000 to 1,250 trees per hectare, accelerates returns further, achieving commercial production year of between 3 to 4, higher initial yields, but requires intensive annual pruning management, competition, higher establishment costs of between $8,000 to $15,000 for trees alone, and typically shorter productive life of between 15 to 25 years before removal and replanting. The economic analysis comparing systems reveals compelling differences. Traditional 200 trees per hectare costs between $2,000 establishment, produces negligible income years of between 1 to 5, produces between 8 to 12 tons per hectares per year. The years of productivity is equal to between 6 to 10. It reaches the peak of 15 tons per hectare after 11 years plus, generating cumulative net profit by 15 years of approximately 80,000, between 80,000 to 120,000 dollars. Modern 400, between 400 to 500 trees per hectares costs $5,000 establishment, producing significant income from year 4 to 5, produces between 10 to 15 tons per hectare by year 5 to 8, reaches peak between 18 to 22 tons per hectare by the ninth year plus, generating cumulative net profit by year 15 of approximately 140,000 between 140,000 to $220,000. The higher establishment cost is more than justified by earlier and higher returns. High-density systems generate very high early returns, but complexity and eventually replanting creates mixed long-term results. For most commercial operations, modern medium density at between 400 to 500 trees per hectare provide optimal balance of manageable establishment costs, reasonably early returns, excellent mature production, and long-term sustainability. Implementing optimal establishment. Planting density implementation. Establish orchard at 5 by 4 meters. That will be 500 trees per hectare. 6 by 4 meters. That will be 416 trees per hectare. Or 5 by 5 meters. That will be 400 trees per hectare. Spacing depending on variety vigor, climate, and management intensity. Hash on dosha rootstock is good in good conditions warrants 5 by 4 meters, other than cultivars or marginal conditions, which use 6 by 6 meters or 5 by 5 meters. Mark planting positions with stakes using measured tapes or string lines, ensuring accurate regular spacing, creating efficient orchard layouts and management access. Row orientation north-south provides optimal sun exposure. Where slopes permit, on slopes, rows follow contours, preventing erosion, even if this compromises sun exposure. Access design incorporates turning spaces every 50 to 80 rows and maintain roads every 10 to 15 rows, allowing equipment and harvest bin movement. Planting execution determines early establishment success. Plant during optimal seasons, that is early rainy season for rain-fed, spring after frost danger for cold climates, avoiding extreme heat periods. Dig planting holes 50 to 60 centimeter diameter and between 40 to 50 centimeters deep, slightly larger than root ball. Incorporating between 5 to 6 kilograms of well-composted manure, organic matter, into backfill, improving soil structure and water retention. Set trees at same depth as grown in nursery. Never burying graft union which promotes disease. Firm soil around roots, eliminate air pockets. Create small basin around each tree, capturing irrigation water. Apply between 15 to 20 liters of water immediately after planting, ensuring soil-root contact, and mulch with between 10 to 15 centimeter organic mulch, wood chips, leaves, and straw. In 1 meter diameter, circular, preventing weed competition and conserving moisture. Never apply fertilizer at planting. Wait between 4 to 6 weeks for root establishment before beginning light fertilization. Establishment management. Years between year 1 to 3. Maintain weed-free 1-meter diameter circle around each tree using mulch and periodic weeding. Weeds compete severely with young trees for water and nutrients. Provide weekly irrigation, maintaining consistent soil moisture between 20 to 30 liters per tree per week, depending on climate and season. Avocados require constant moisture during establishment. Implement frost protection if needed, wrapping trunks, overhead irrigation, or frost fans depending on frost severity and frequency. Begin light fertilization between 6 to 8 weeks after planting, applying between 50 to 100 grams complete fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks, increasing gradually as trees grow. Monitor for pests and disease, particularly Phytophthora root rot syndromes, including wilting despite adequate moisture, yellowing leaves, and general decline. And train young trees through formative pruning, establishing desired structure. Establishment period requires intensive management, preventing the between 20 to 40% mortality typical of poorly managed orchards. Orchard trees that die must be replaced immediately, maintaining orchard density and production potential. Avocado farming secrets for 60% yield increase and 35% cost cutting secret. Number 3. Click the link below to watch this.